Have you ever wondered how plants can help each other grow? Welcome to the fascinating world of companion planting, where plants aid each other, creating more successful, sustainable gardens. Interestingly, plants, like humans, thrive better in communities. So how does companion planting work exactly? It's like a harmonious symphony in your garden where certain plant pairs sing in synchrony. Take marigolds and tomatoes, for instance. Marigolds deter pests that feast on tomatoes, giving them a chance to flourish. Or consider beans and corn. Beans enrich the soil with nitrogen, a nutrient corn craves. This mutual benefit enhances their growth and overall health. It's a simple yet effective strategy to maximize your garden's potential. Just like a perfect pair, these plant companions make each other stronger and healthier. Ready to start your own companion planting journey? Here's how. First, research and understand the compatibility of plants. Some plants get along famously, while others might not be the best roommates. Next, consider the spacing. Some plants need more room to grow than others, so plan your garden layout accordingly. The third step is to think about rotation. This means not planting the same crop in the same place every year. This helps prevent disease and nutrient depletion. Finally, remember that gardening is a continuous learning process. Adapt your strategies as you go, learning from your successes and failures. And there you have it. With patience and practice, you'll soon see your garden thriving like never before. Companion planting is not just about growing plants. It's about growing a community in your garden. We've discovered how it fosters plant health, increases yield, and even contributes to sustainability and biodiversity. It's a wonderful method that prioritizes harmony and balance in the natural world. It's a small step towards a greener, healthier planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!